Master the magic of reporting verbs with 2 infinitives. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another video in our Intermediate English Grammar series. Today, we're focusing on an important area of reported speech, using reporting verbs with 2 infinitives. These verbs are essential for correctly reporting what others have said or thought, so let's jump right into it. Reporting verbs are used to relay information we've heard or read to someone else. They can describe actions such as saying, believing, thinking, and many others. In this video, we'll focus on those reporting verbs which are commonly followed by 2 infinitives, like agree to, offer to, and promise to. Remember, the 2 infinitive form of a verb is to, followed by the base form of the verb, like to go, to eat, or to play. Some commonly used reporting verbs with 2 infinitives are agree to, decide to, offer to, promise to, refuse to. Each of these verbs carries its unique nuance and is used in different contexts. Let's now look at how we can use these reporting verbs in sentences. 1. Agree to. We use this when someone accepts a proposal or request. 2. Example. She agreed to help me with my homework. 3. Decide to. This is used when someone makes a decision. 4. Example. He decided to go to the gym instead of staying home. 5. Offer to. This verb is used when someone voluntarily proposes to do something. 6. Example. They offered to cook dinner for the party. 7. Promise to. We use this when someone gives a guarantee that they will do something. 8. Example. I promised to call her once I arrived. 9. Refuse to. This is used when someone declines to do something. 10. Example. He refused to answer the question. And that wraps up our exploration of reporting verbs with 2 infinitives. Remember, using these correctly can significantly enhance your English speaking and writing skills. Keep practicing these in different contexts until you feel comfortable. As always, keep learning and keep growing. We hope you found this video helpful. See you in our next one.